Isamla pulih hapok kalama jong ka NEHU Students Union NEHUSU bat ka Khasi Students Union NEHU unit. Lara iki plakat bat kerkut ke administrative block ban persyajur ya kejing le menti jong Vice Chancellor Professor PS Shukla. Ya kejing dawa jeki ban welcome no ya Registrar Colonel Retired Omkar Singh Lambat u Deputy Registrar Academics Amit Gupta kentup ikiwe pat kinong trik berkentup ru Yau Officer on Special Duty Dr. Debashish Chowdhury badu in charge ka NEHU Guest House Sajan ke Jo. Samla pulik le keno bo Vice Chancellor ulapan kanya ki kendon tungkam bat le silang khamat ke betungkam de ki beriu lejong bat am shim tungkam satya de ki trajela. Ka NEHUSU bat ka KSU NEHU unit kil aipor yu Vice Chancellor banado ke steng miet jong ka sautrek unai weng uli ban weng kam no ikini ki saungut kinong trai. Lem kumta ken padlong de ki jinya ki betung air. Kila dawaru badai bantung no ya ki pro Vice Chancellor Hakashilong Batura Campus.
Sir, you listen our humble request. Our humble request is that before 5th of next month, sir, you kindly remove registrar, deputy registrar, and all those other officials that you have appointed illegally, and as well as the same time appoint pro Vice Chancellor for both the campuses, NEHU Shillong and NEHU Tura, sir.
We will send the inquiry committee on the 10th of September. And that letter has been already written to the government, not only the President of India, Prime Minister Office also, NCST Commission also. Okay? And has been already published in the paper. I am waiting the paper. Accordingly, I will constitute an inquiry committee. Our government can also constitute an inquiry committee.
What about the
maybe I may be biased at the time of selection. But government can... You are biased! You are biased!
We see bias! 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 What do you mean bias? The Vice Chancellor has himself admitted that he was biased. He was biased. You may be biased. You are biased. You are biased. We see bias! We see